Yeah, unalive, right, right.
Innocent, brother. The youth is an innocent youth, them kill. Because when you check the levels, unalive, sorry, an innocent youth, them unalive. When you check the levels, you know, remember saying, no, when the youth, the police them and knock the door, and the police realize, the youth realize our police. When I say the youth come downstairs, you know, and go out there, you know, hold up him and surrender, you know. And if you don't look good on the video, them toss him over to the left, that are behind what the part of the door where door open. So if them go in and them search and them find a firearm, them could have taken in the young man. But you don't see no case, so them find a firearm nowhere. Them and the youth never in a no farmer shootout. That's the next thing. So them kill the youth, them unalive the youth innocently. Them did it innocently.
They may say, if them go for the youth and you put up them hands, right? And you go for him.
Laugh out.
Yeah?
All the youth they reach back in them house, in them bedroom.
That's a question you want to ask to Mama
That me I said too, but not all that no Mama son.
Them push him out the door. So if any unalive him should have gone in an outer door, them should unalive him.
Outer door, that me I said to Mama son.
Outer door.
But not only that, them go for him to check him in. Him put up him man, you know. Them could have handcuff him same time.
Yeah, because him
surrender.
And him surrender,
you know.
Him surrender.
But you still don't kill him.
What that me I say? Who should them carrying back in?
Nobody.
And that's the question. Nobody should them carrying back in.
When them just go and open the door and him put up him hand. When them see a police, him put up him hand. If them go for him, them should have handcuff him same time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Look at me.
Push him one side.
Look at me.
Hold on. When they push him one side, right? And at the end of the day, the youth out there. And the rest of them go in at the house and I look all over the place. And at the end of the day, me not say when time him got them carrying back in at the house. But right when me hear
Tiny, I'm here carry look at me. Tiny, because them got them make sure rush in and go turn the camera.
Yeah, them turn the camera and
that's
it's
why
out of order. Or if you go in and people house, go turn off people internet and
them
turn off people
Wi-Fi.
camera. Plug out the people them Wi-Fi.
And this man can come
Okay. So at that time, them carrying back in at the house to analyze him.
Come on. When PMP did come out and talk about it, remember the same people in my balls of PMP.
That area them know that area there is a long stretch of road, right? Right beside that house is the upstairs house. Right beside that house, there's a next upstairs house.
So end up come here work for God. I know that we don't know the whole
maybe I can come right to me. I jump off Mama.
So when they just come sing look for me, all I want to pan the fire page, everybody just have blood clot sing look.
Alright, Mama son, see me tap it.
Yeah, man, me I say right beside that upstairs house, there's a next upstairs house right beside it.
Mama son, I go for
full
the
up a camera same way too. So if you leave behind the camera there, there's a camera next to the house there where I see things, right?
Link up.
So the truth will come out.
I got you, man. You know it already. Alright.
Yeah,
But hold on,
But when me I say are the same people, them did not cost PMP.
Why you help me with someone, so link me up. The number that call me.
Alright, I go call for your number, not say 40.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, Mama Sam, you remember say, them did not cost PMP, say PMP a support criminal, and PMP this and PMP that, and see them now right in the naked eye. Cause remember when
everybody see the youth run out, they want him and everything him do.
When Mark Holding the police don't need fear wear body camera so you can see what is happening. Them say PMP are back criminal and see they look what and they turn on in a labor right place. Cause if you notice the woman on the TV when she attack, it's a labor right band she have on her hand, so them a labor right.
Okay.
Remember how them bash PMP? Man, come say if him did a pass, if him have him think pan him when him a pass, he would have opened it up in the crowd.
And the PMP them out in half a tree.
Remember?
Somebody not go for him.
When Mark holding the ball for the body camera, but yet still them go lock up mother love. I quote me, I get ready for going in the morning here too, you know.
Oh, today you quote now? But here me ask a question now. I want to know this. Mama Sam, what me I hear now say church come out. Church come out and look up about Obia. Or church just a come out come look up about Obia and already did I go on from when? Andrew Owens and him fuckery. Oh, the church never come out come talk that.
Lucky I look on them and I repeat that tiny, because guess what at the end of the day? As long as the church never come out and stand up against Andrew Owens and him corruption, the church never come out come talk about no.
Then that me I say why they not come out now? I them say legalize Obia, they not come out on that.
Church, because them say when I sell Obia, because you're going to them church, they must sell your oil, they must sell your water, they must sell every blood clot thing until they say what you're going to do to you. So go and go to the business. When Andrew Owens
exactly.
Leak out. Now say one day when did hungry na COVID man to Andrew. So God wrath with him, and when him come back out and tell church to pray for Andrew.
Davis, yeah.
Somehow no.
Me say I one church, make me walk go in there, but me no want nobody invite me.
I true man.
Yeah, so.
Make me walk go in there. Anywhere my spirit lead me will go. But
I
me no want
nobody
invite me.
A serious thing, Mama. Come and say my friend when time me I read it.
It's the corruption. So no want people to come out, come stand up with Uno. And they never stand for Jamaica. They never stand for Jamaica.
I never say no. Remember they look mad boy Angela Berg. When them run film life on the camera and them analyze they look a sick youth. You remember them after we go out there and the people and nobody never go stand. But don't know when the teacher on the doorstep when the sun come out.
Yes.
And nothing come out. And what no come out about that. That is
nothing hear about it. I look at my youth with them analyze in the video. The next one when father said they get trouble at school. A teacher and some side of a Spanish town. And they can't sit on the camera in the yard with a zinc fence. They put the youth for needle and one shot in them at the school side. A whole heap of things going on in the government.
And nothing no come out there. And the church silent. Them put where?
That third term is a 3 meter sign. It's a signal and the third term means that someone has to go down.
Them get the third term and the most is something.
Third term at death.
I never
Number 3 is death.
And them ask the third term.
But you know, some of them police should have been arrested and go to prison.
And them get it. Them ask it and them get it.
I say, them not get no third term. Them take the third term. Hijack it. Them take the third term.
Yes.
Listen, we not lose the election, we not stop saying.
We not lose. Everybody, the worst is him no win.
Them use bad
The
man.
worst is him no win.
Them use bad man and bullies him and take it and see it where we are getting and our ass. Same guy, I'm going to find for 3 days, you know when come.